Dad?
Yeah?
Are you the imposter?
Me?
Yeah.
The imposter?
Yeah.
No, wait. Are you the imposter?
No, I'm not the imposter.
Well, if you're not the imposter, and I'm not the imposter, then who is it?
Hi guys, it's me Scarlett. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing some Among Us characters. We're not going to be doing 1, we're not going to be doing 2. We're going to be doing 7. And I apologize for not making any videos in a while, but because since I had a lot of work, school and work, but today we're going to make it up. Last time we made a dinosaur, right? And today we're going to be drawing the Among Us characters. Yeah, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right down below. So let's get to it. So first off, you start with like a jelly bean on its side. Yeah. And then you put a little bit of a highlight to make so it's like glass. Then you do like a half circle halfway there. It's like a little bit close to the goggles. Yeah. And then do 2 straight lines down. Then you do something like a U. And then connect these two with a line. Now the next little character, it's kind of the same thing, but make sure he's like on his side. And you see this? Yeah, you see the little half circle there. Do the same thing here, but you see this? This is the half circle is a little bit to the side. Now you do a line down, and then do the U line, and then another U connecting into there. Okay. Do the same thing over here, just flipped. So about Among Us. It's basically this game where you, it's kind of like a mystery game. And so, now we do the second one. Slightly smaller. Just slightly smaller. And, do a line there. U. Same thing over there, but flip it. So in Among Us, the characters are a little bit, they're like these jelly beans, or jelly beans with legs, and they have a backpack, but you can't see it in the picture because they're like together in like a triangle. Okay? Now, time for the coloring. Let's start off with red. Start off with red, the first color in the middle. So start slowly by coloring it if you have the same markers as me. Slowly color it so you don't do like too much of it. Kind of outline the spaces you want to color. So here's the thing that I like to do. I like making like some shapes over here, so you know the spaces you want to color. Keep doing those little shapes, and you'll eventually finish in the character. So far, he's starting to look a little He looks like there's curves here, but we're gonna finish that off. Another way I like coloring stuff in is just by doing lines. Simple lines throughout the picture, okay? I like doing like funny lines, like squiggly lines, straight lines, and other kind of lines. You can hear the markers. And we're done with the red. Now next up is pink. We'll do pink on this side. Oh wait, I just noticed that we're missing two little Among Us characters. So I'll just go fill that in quickly. Now let's get back to coloring. So since pink is done, we'll get to orange. Orange should go over here. I know the orange is looking a bit like yellow, but it's the best one we got, and the marker says orange. So far, it's looking super cute. Now, after orange, we got yellow. Earlier when I was testing the colors, the yellow seemed a little off, but that was okay because in Among Us, the yellow was always a bit darker than the normal colors, so I went with it. And these markers do awesome on shading too, so later we'll get to the shading part. Next color up is green. Let's do green over here. This color, the green I had here was a little bit like lime green, but kind of made sense a lot because in Among Us, the green is also pretty much kind of like a lime. Next color up is blue. The blue is a little light, which is okay because I really love light colors. So yeah. Now the last color is purple. So you'll notice later when you're coloring the picture, you'll notice that it's getting easier to color in because the characters are getting smaller. And I really like that a lot. Now, my favorite part. Shading. I'm gonna be shading with this gray. This is gonna be fun. So when you shade, you normally like doing like little light strokes. So the shading doesn't become too dark, but then again not too light. And here's a little tip. Not the marker tip, but tip. Whenever you're coloring with these kinds of markers, it depends on what kind of paper you're using to color with. I forgot I was gonna go down the other ones. So you might start noticing that if you're using these markers, they might bleed through the paper. But they may not bleed through the paper depending on the kind of paper you're using. It's starting to look like they have like little pants. So in Among Us, there's these parts where there's about like 3 imposters, like 3. They can be up to 3 imposters. You won't be able to know how many imposters there are and who are the imposters until you find like a dead body and you do the emergency meeting. There's an emergency meeting in the cafeteria in Among Us, but the button is normally a little far to reach, but yeah. So far, it's looking so cute. Now, last but not least, is the shading under them, so you know basically where the flower is. Normally, it's going to be just easy where you can just do a nice line here. That just makes it a lot easier. And for the one in the middle, I kind of made the line a bit more thicker. And the line just gets less thicker throughout. And we're done. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked my video, and thank you so much for watching. And then again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and maybe also the notification bell right down below. Okay? Bye!